Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to Olympiad maths question. This is a trigonometry question. You can see here 7 power cos square x plus 7 power sin square x equals to 8, and we need to find the value of x here. So how to find the x value? First of all, we will multiply both sides. Multiplying both sides with 7 power sin square x. So 7. So we will multiply with 7 power sin square x both side. Okay. Now you can see this 7 power sin square x goes inside. 7 power cos square x into 7 power sin square x plus 7 power sin square x, 7 power sin square x, it is square, okay, equal to 8 7 power sin square x. This is as it is. Now you can see here we are using the exponent rule. If we have a power m into a power n, so it should be a power m plus n. So same thing here, 7 power cos square x plus sin square x, because the base are same, so power should be added, plus 7 power, here you can see 7 base are the same, so here same thing we will apply, sin square x plus sin square x. So it is sin square x plus sin square x, and here right hand side is as it is. Now we know that in a trigonometry already we know that this sin cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. So it will 1 plus sin square x, so it is 2 times sin square x equal to 8 into 7 power sin square x is as it is. Okay. Now again we know that the law of exponent, if a power 2m, suppose such condition, so we'll write this m, a power m, and this 2 we have taken whole square. So a power m whole square. So same thing, this we will apply this concept here in second term. 7 power 1 is the 7 plus, so 7 power sin square x whole 2. Okay, and right hand side 8 power sin square x is as it is. It is 7 power sin square x is as it is. Now you can see this and this, they are same. So can we consider another variable 7? Let 7 power sin square x is equal to, is the another variable which is equal to y. So after that 7 is as it is, plus this is 7, this we will consider this 7 power sin square x is y. So y square equal to 8 into y. Now 7 plus y square, 8y goes to left hand side, y square minus 8y plus 7. So you can see here this is our quadratic equation. So according to quadratic equation, first of all we will split the middle term. So y square, so 7's factors are 7 and 1. So we know that the 7's factors is 7 into 1 is 7, and 7 plus 1 is 8. So this 8 is split into 7 into 1, which is equal to minus 7y minus y plus 7 equal to 0. So here the two factors, if y is common, so y minus 7, and here minus 1 is common, so y minus 7 equal to 0. So in this equation y minus 7 is common, inside is y minus 1 is equal to 0. So y value is two values, y equals to 7 and y equals to 1. So recall our y. What is our y? So y, you can see here, y is 7 power sine square x. So 7 power sine square x equal to 7. Okay, and if you compare the base are same, so power should be equal. So sine square x equals to 1. So first of all, this one value, if you take the square root both side, so we'll get the sine, this one values, two values, plus 1 and minus, and we know the concept in the trigonometry, plus 1 and minus 1, how to get the plus 1 and minus 1 from this sign. So first of all, we will take out square root both side. So square root of plus 1 is plus minus 1, and it is, this square is cancelled, the square root. So sin x value, there are two values. First value is plus 1 and the second value is minus 1. Okay. So look here, here is no space. So sin x equals to 1 and sin x equals to minus 1. These are two values, and next value y equals to 1. So y equals to 1. So we know that this y, what is our y? Sine power sine square x equals to 1. Okay. So recall this term also, where we'll get the 1 again. So first of all, for solving this y equals to 1, first of all we'll solve these two terms, then we'll solve this. Okay. Then next is the, if we have the positive 1 and if we have the minus 1, so how to get the answer of x? So we know that this one in the trigonometry table, you can see the sine 90 is the 1. So can we write sine pi by 2? So x equals to pi by 2. But we have not given the limit, so we'll have a constant. So x equals to pi by 2 plus, look here, after every 180 degree, it will be a 2k pi, where k equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on. So this is our first solution for x, and for this x equals to minus 1. So you can see sine x is as it is, this minus 1. We know that sine minus theta is always minus sine theta. Okay, and this theta is obviously the one value is the pi, sine pi by 2 is 1. So can we write sine in bracket minus pi by 2? So it will be a negative, and sine pi by 2 is the 1. So minus 1 will get again. So x value is minus pi by 2. So similarly, the next solution is x equals to pi by 2. So here is also not constant given, the limit is given. So x equals to pi by 2, and this is the negative. So remember that negative sign here, plus 2k pi. This is our second value. Now next is y equals to 1. We know that the y equals to next value is 1. So recall what is our y? Y is 7 power sine square x equals to 1. So 7 power sine square x, can we write this one is 7 power 0. So sine square x equals to 7. If you compare the power, it will 0. And after that you can see sine square x, take the square root both side, so it is 0, and sine x equals to 0. So if you see the sine 180 degree is the 0, so can we write 180 is pi? So sine x, so x equals to pi. Here constant is also not given, so our solution is x equals to pi plus 2k pi. So these are the three values of x. First of all this one, and the second one is this one, and third one this one. So hope you have understood this question, and if you like this video, like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you, and thanks for watching.